Hi guys, welcome back to the Beae video tutorial series. In this video, you will quickly learn how to use the collection list element of Beae Shopify Page Builder. What is the collection list element? Collection list enable you to display an array of collection cards on other page, not the collection page, to have visitor browse to the category of your product. This video will help you go the main setting of the element so that you can configure it to your linking. Let's get started. Do the most detailed UX of Beae collection list element. First, select page. Then create the section. Go to the element. Drag and drop the collection list element to the desired position. Click on the collection list element, and on the right side of the screen will appear the Content tab, Style tab, and Advanced tab. In the Content tab, you can customize the collection list, collection card, grid setting, change text, and preset. Firstly, in the collection list, you can also select the layout of the collection list. It can be grid, slider, or collage. You can select or add other collection in the collection section. In addition, with the image type, you can choose the display image. It can be a pre-installed image in a Shopify collection or the first product image in that collection. Secondly, in the collection card, you can change the design. It can be standard or banner format. Besides, the content position allows to customize the display position of the collection card. Aspect ratio allows you to change the ratio of the collection card. You can choose from this option: 1:1, 3:2, 4:3, 16:9, and more. I will customize the same with the mobile. In addition, you can also enable or disable use button, show title, show number count, enable overlay. Third, in grid setting, you can customize collection per row, column graph, row graph. Between collection, I will customize the same for mobile. In the change text, you can change the content of the collection card. Finally, preset. We had an available collection list template for you to choose from, or you can upload your own sample in myself. In the style tab, you can customize the collection card, image, title, and count. With the collection card, you can change the background. My collection list is already had image, so we will not see the background change. To make the collection card stand out more, use box shadow and border. Box shadow allows you to set up the collection card box shadow value. Border allows you to change the border of the collection card with this style: before, none, solid, and more. Also, spacing allows you to adjust the space of the collection card. Responsive mode is available for all devices. I will customize the same with the content box. With imager, you can customize width, height, and image fit. The imager fit allows you to change the fitness of the image. You can also choose from these options: none, few, content, and more. To make the imager of the collection list more objective, customize the ZS filter of shadow and border. Finally, with title and count, you can customize alignment, typography, text color, text shadow, and padding. Alignment allows you to change the alignment of the title. Typography allows you to customize the title with several options like font family, text size, weight, transform, style, decoration, line height, and letter spacing. Text color allows you to change the color of the text in the title. Text shadow allows you to control text shadow setting, which allows you to pick color to create the blur effect and to set horizontal and vertical position in conjunction with your title. Padding allows you to change the padding of the title. I will also customize the detail to show you how to use it. Frame type, you can customize spacing, background, border, responsive, animation, and attributes. Margin spacing. Margin is the distance between sections. Padding is the distance between the section and column. And you can also customize the width for collection list element. This collection list can also set position. However, according to Beae note here, it's not considered best practice for responsive web design and should not be used too often. In particular, enable sticky is an extremely interesting feature. When you assign a collection list to sticky on top, this collection list will always stick to the top and will not disappear when put down. Hopefully, if you choose stick at the bottom, that collection list will always stick to the bottom. In addition, you can also vertically align to the left, right, or center of the toolbar. Similarly, I would also customize the element when the collection list is displayed on mobile. To make the collection list more prominent, you can change the background here. To make the collection list more prominent, you can change the background here, or add a border and box shadow. Responsive allow collection list to display on desktop, tablet, or mobile device. If we check high on desktop, this filter will only be displayed on tablet and mobile, or vice versa. You can also customize the effect when the collection list appears. It can be displayed right on the page, or can run from the top to bottom, from the right, from the left, or from a variety of different appearances. Let's customize them in the ancient animation. In addition, you can also customize the collection list appearance effect in the animation direction, animation delay, and iteration animation sections. Finally, attribute will allow you to deeply intervene in the code of the collection list element. This session will be for those of you who want to design professionally. Alright, that's all you need to know about the collection list element of Beae. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, feel free to chat with our support. See you next time.